Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, and I'm back. Okay, so now this boat is back up in there. There it is right there. And now I'm ready to finish up or complete this process. I'm going to get me some, I got a staple, and I'll staple this side right there and lock that down right there, just like that. Okay, so that they can't come out. So I can glue that, or I can staple it. They use glue right here, so I have some glue E6000 over there, and I'll get some of that and glue that down. So now I'm gonna come over here and I'll put this boat up in that hole, and then I'll be finished with this part of locking back down the manuals on this Hammond organ, and be ready to try it out. I think the next project that I'll do on this Hammond A100 is I'll pull this AL39 here. I'll pull this AL39, and I'm going to change out the filter can capacitors in here and check the other capacitors, probably change those as well. Change the capacitors in, check the resistors, replace the ones that need to be replaced. Basically, replace, essentially refurbish this AL39 speaker amplifier. And then I've already refurbished my AL28. So this is good to go and sounding good. But this is going to be the next project. Then this organ will be ready for 50 more years of use. All right. I'll hold on to this organ for a while longer, because this is the one that I used to try out my 147 Leslie amplifier. So when I rebuild a 147 amplifier, I use this organ to try them out, or 251. I can try them out with this organ. I have a B3 over there that I use for 122. This is my B3 there. So I use that to try out my 122 amplifiers. But this one for my 147s. And people that play this, they wanna buy it from me. But I'm gonna hold on to this one. I have other organs, A100 models, and out in my building, so they can buy one of those once I get those restored. But right now, this has been my project, and it's coming together nicely. All right, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, on the A100, making it do what it do. To the next video. Peace out.